we are going to talk about the project which is going to change the future of Northeast India. And yes, trucking and logistics both play a massive role. So without any delay, let's start discussing about the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project. Welcome to Logics by FR8, where we simplify trucking and logistics with clear and expert insights. Let's dive into the video. What is the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project? The Kaladan project is a big infrastructure project which connects to Mizoram, northeast of India, directly by sea through Myanmar. It uses three types of transport routes: sea, river and road. And that is why it is called multimodal project. The main goal is to give a safer and new route to trade instead of depending on the Siliguri corridor or Bangladesh. The project is expected to fully be finished by July 2025. By November 2023, 356.87 crores has already been spent on building these roads. Now let's look at the construction status. In Myanmar, 109 km of road from Palatwa to the Indian border Zuingpui has been built. Out of this, 70 km is already completed. Sea and river parts of the route are started working now. Now, what does the Kaladan project connect? First, from Kolkata Port, India to Sitwe Port, Myanmar by sea, 539 km. From Sitwe to Palatwa by Kaladan River, 158 km. From Palatwa to Zurinpui by road is 109 km. From Zurinpui to Aizawl by road is 110 km. This gives the Northeast India a direct access to the sea for the very first time. Earlier, Northeast India has depended on Bangladesh Chittagong port or Siliguri corridor. But now Bangladesh is getting closer to China and has rejected some Indian proposals for the economic zones. At the same time, China is heavily investing in Myanmar through big projects like China-Myanmar Economic Corridor and Taikpyu Port. The Kaladan project is the Indian way to answer this situation. This makes India less dependent on Bangladesh and ties a stronger relationship with Myanmar and supports India's Act East policies and connects more closer to the Southeast Asia. The advantages are this route is 1000 kilometers shorter than the previous one, saving 3 to 4 days of transport days and cutting costs up to 30%. It will help create jobs and develop the tourism in these regions. The government is also building a fast highways from Shillong to Silchar to Zurinpui. This will connect more parts to the northeast through the Kaladan routes. This table will explain you more better. First is the Kolkata to Sitwe port in Myanmar. Through sea shipping, the distance is 539 km. From Sitwe to Palatwa, Kaladan River, mode is inland water transport. The distance is 158 km. From Palatwa to Indo-Myanmar border, through road, the distance is 110 km. Indo-Myanmar border to NH54 through road is 100 km. The first image shows the entire corridor from Kolkata to the Aizawl via Myanmar, highlighting the sea, river and road segments and how the route bypasses Bangladesh and the Siliguri border. The second image provides a simplified map and a table summarizing each segment, making the multimodal nature of the project clear. The Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project is a big and a very smart plan from India because it helps us connect to the northeast and to the world. By creating a new transport route from Kolkata to Mizoram through Myanmar, India has to no longer depend on a narrow, vulnerable corridor like Siliguri. This project will not only make the trade easier but also cheaper. When it's finished in July, this corridor will become a new gateway to Southeast Asia, helping Northeast Asia grow and connect to the global trade like never before. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. I will link all the details in the description. You can check it out. Thank you for watching.